Hello everyone, it's Isaac here. I just got back from a holiday in Denmark and I had 3 packages waiting for me at the post office, so of course I hurried and collected them, so I'm going to share with you what I've got. One is a scrapbook.com order and the other one is the Hero Arts June kit along with some extra goodies that I bought. So I'm gonna start with the Hero Art kit. So let's start with the kit itself. I got the kit and I've already taken stuff out of the packaging because this green misty thingy apparently managed to go all over the place, and well, the whole package was really green and white. So I took it out, cleaned everything off. The only thing that was ruined were the stickers, so I'm fine about it really. But this is a shimmer mist, and I believe it's supposed to be greenish. Well, at least this is green. And then you get this embossing powder that is like a beach sand. So that should be interesting to see. And then you get 4 ink cubes. In its kit you get Deep Ocean, Soft Granite, Soft Sky and Summer Sky. And I really like that they've started to put the names on the lid themselves so that I can see what I have at hand. And as you can see here, the messy little thingy somehow managed to rub away some of the colour, but everything works fine nonetheless. Then it's the kit, or the stamps themselves. And this stamp set is really, really nice, very different. I don't have anything like this. You get the ocean, 3 layers, and you get the lots of clouds, 1, 2, 3 kinds, and they're all layered. Get this beach chair, boat, animals, mermaid, and all kinds of sea related things, and great sentiments. You got see you soon, enjoy the beach life, hello, greetings from my happy place, life is better with sandy feet, with sympathy and thinking of you. Really great one. And as usual you get coordinating dies. These are really nice. It's totally different of anything like that. Then of course I had to get an add-on or 2 or 5. So I got the Hero Arts Ultra Clean. Been wanting this for some time, so I decided to get one and give it a go. And then I added 2 more inks to my collection, and I got the Butter Bar and the Emerald Green. Absolutely gorgeous green. Those. And then this was the add-on for this month's kit. This one's called, again, Abstract Wave Bolt Prints. And I really like them. They don't, at least in my opinion, they don't need to be waves or anything like that. I could use it for whatever. I just really like how they're all, I don't know, abstract-y thingy looking, I guess. Cute. And then I already have this stamp set and I really needed the die. And then I got one of these new stamps. Absolutely gorgeous. This one's called Dahlia Stamper Cut. Beautiful flower. And the coordinating die. And lovely sentiments. You're a doll. Kindness, creativity, love blooms here. So this is what I got from Hero Arts. Love these things, especially that one. So let's get to my scrapbook.com. Alright, let's get to it. Now, first of all, I got 3 packs of the glue for my ATG gun. Always good to have around. And then I got the Tim Holtz Tonic Retractable Craft pick. Silly me, I was planning on getting the knife, but apparently I got the pick. Oh, clever little thing. Oh well, because I already have the pick, so I guess I need to reorder and get me the Tim Holtz knife next time around. One should pay attention before checking out, eh? And then I got this new tool. I've been wanting this for such a long time. And I decided to get it. Scrap.com had a sale around the time I ordered, and this one was 20% off. So of course, I just had to have it. I mean, it's a bargain. I have the regular Crop-A-Dile. I've had that for the longest time. This one. And it works perfectly. It does everything I need to. Except this one gets in to those spots where the small one can't reach. So, love this one. Gorgeous. And it is a heavy little thing. It's a proper tool. I love it. Can't wait to use it. So excited! And I also got more goodies. Scrap.com has come out with a collection of double-sided adhesive, and I really like their tape. I have been using score tape for the longest time, and I absolutely adore that. But this one is really good as well, and I really like the price point as well. So if you're thinking about trying the Scrap.com double-sided adhesive, I highly recommend it. It is really good and really strong. And this is the 1/4 inch roll, and I already have another one, so I wanted another one. And even though I didn't order this time, I did the other day. I ordered the 6-inch one, and this is absolutely amazing, by the way. It's just fantastic, especially if you're making mini albums. This is such a great tool to have. And then I decided to get this pen from Scrap.com too, and it is rose gold. So let's have this little scrappy thing here. Ooh, lovely. Nice. Got that, and then I got some Neenah Solar White cardstock. This is a pack of 25 from Scrap.com, and it's the 8.5 by 11 paper. And I use these a lot for die cutting, and these could be great for card making, even though I do use the 110 for my card bases. But this is what I use when I die cut and all those other thingies. And also if I color with my coloured pencils. I really like Neenah cardstock. Really nice quality. And then I got just Mary's paper pack from Opaque. I absolutely love these ones. Oh, so gorgeous. And some of the papers have got gold foil on it. So knowing that I do love my foiled papers, I decided to get more extra. So let's have a look. And I love that when you order single sheets from Scrap.com, they pack these in this plastic bag and have this cardboard in the back, just so I know that these things will not get squished and mushed all over. Plus I can use these for my mini albums. Oh, apparently I got damage here in the corner, but my box was quite crumbled in one corner, but I can fix that. Should be alright. So I got some doubles of the I just married. Just look at these, absolutely gorgeous. Love the foiling. Beautiful papers. Love these florals. And this, ah, so pretty. And all those little gorgeous foilings all over here and there. Oh, good. I just cannot get enough of these beautiful flowers. Gorgeous. Stunning. This is paper that's always good to have stripes. And this is stunning. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. And foiling and oh, pretty. Stunning. Gorgeous. I love these damask ones. And this is one of the cutter parts. And the last extra. Stunning. Like I said, so I knew I'd be wanting doubles of some of these, so I decided to get some of these extra. And then I also got this collection, Pack Your Bags, from Cardstock. I just love this. How cute is this little dude? Are you kidding me? Adorable little thing. Gorgeous travel bags. Let's open up and have a look. And with tons of stickers. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. So let's have a look, shall we? Oh, gorgeous. And also really love the textures of the Cardstock papers. Lots of cutter parts. So cute. Beautiful bright colours. Love these gorgeous colours. So happy. Oh, these are fab. Love these. Gorgeous strips. This is a fun one. And such. So that's my crafty haul for now. And apparently I have an extra craft pick. Well, make sure to get the knife next time. I don't end up with 3 craft picks. And thanks for watching, and oh yes, I will have everything linked down below. So if you like anything here, you can just click on the link and it will take you right to that product. So thanks for watching. Bye.